Pero I just want to tell you that hindi naman talaga natin alam kung ano mangyayari. We have a trial this September. Gusto ko para sa inyo na you should remain optimistic. Kasi hindi pwede yung padrino natin nandoon tapos tayo mahina dito. So we have to remain optimistic because for sure, to honor all the things that he did for this country is to pick ourselves up and do it harder than he did. Kailangan push talaga tayo. Hindi pwede na nagsakripisyo sa at ipinakita niya lahat ng kaya niyang gawin para sa minamahal niyang bansa at tayo naman ay titigil lang kasi dahil nandun siya sa malayo or tingin na wala siya, gano'n. Hindi pwede. It is our responsibility now. Kasi kung hindi natin i-absorb or tanggapin yung responsibility because he only showed the way. Ang maganda doon, may daanan na pinakita yung tao sa atin. Ang kulang na lang, dadaanan na lang natin. Yun ang pinakamahirap sa lahat. Na makita natin kung saan tayo dadaan. And the only thing that we do now is to go through that road. Now, I ask you, ano ang mas mahirap? Ang sinimulan o yung itutuloy mo lang? Diba? Mas lisod yun, ang sugod yun. Karon, ipadayon na lang nato. This is to all those Filipinos who believe in Him. This is our responsibility and obligation, not only to ourselves, to our families, but to the entire country. So, that's the only way to honor His work in this country and the kind of governance that He showed to all the Filipinos during His term as President. So, laban lang. 2 years na lang na. 2 years. Tanawan ninyo. Look, the midterm elections, they never won. They want to, give you the perception of that they're still standing, there. But wala na, they're crumbling. Every day, they're deteriorating. Because most often, the things that you do, lalo na sinimulan mo sa mga pangit na bagay, it will most likely end up, in pangit din. So ito si PRD, may sinimulan siyang magandang bagay. Something that we can, nurture and take care of and make it grow. Pwede natin pagandahin.